Doge is testing a key support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Doge yesterday, we had a beautiful momentum candle trying to take above that 0.168 level, which is our key resistance. And you can see we actually failed to break above that level. And obviously with the news today, we saw a bit of volatility. Right now, Doge is testing the 0.124 level, which was a major support level before we actually saw that breakout formation. So as long as we can hold above this support level, we are still short-term bullish. Of course, we are entering that still daily time frame, which I'll show you guys in a second, but as of right now, as long as we can hold above this 0.124 level, find that as support and then a continuation, we would be looking for the 0.168 for the ultimate reversal. The reason, of course, is because of that fact that if you look on the daily candlesticks, you can see that we do have a nice little pullback situation. Worst case scenario, we can possibly go all the way down to around the 11 cent, retest that exponential moving average, and then that continuation. Anything below that level, of course, would become a little bit more bearish, so we don't want to break anything below 0.11. But as you guys can see, looking at the previous price analysis, we have tested that level multiple times. You can see even right over here, we did find that support around that 0.13 level and then saw that continuation pushing higher. We saw the same sort of resistance and support candles like we're seeing right now, so there is room for one more leg up trying to break above that 0.168 and then that continuation to the downside. You guys know that I am looking for that overall shorting position at 0.168, but what if from the bullish case scenario we actually break above that 0.168? Would things change? Well, of course, if we do get a clean breakout formation at the 0.168 level and find that as consolidation, that would become extremely bullish for Doge overall, because that from obviously the daily time frame is probably the first time we would break above that level in a very long time. You can see we actually tested that level multiple times before we finally saw the breakout formation to the downside. So holding above that level would obviously increase our chances of possibly retesting around the 30 cent resistance. But you guys already know, we look at what the chart tells us right now, and the chart is showing us that bulls are obviously getting a little bit more exhausted. You can see that we are trying to break above these levels, but are having multiple bearish candlesticks breaking below. Ideally from the lower time frames, though, you can see that Doge is in that support range. We are testing, we're obviously right below the exponential moving averages, but we are still bouncing right off the support level. You guys know my bias towards entering these positions. Obviously when you have exponential moving averages pushing lower and you have a support level being tested, 9 out of 10 times it does tend to break. The only difference here is right now the fact that we are trading on the hourly, so this doesn't give me enough opportunities to actually look for that trade. But if we had that same case scenario on the 4 hours and we start to see the same sort of formations where we see these exponential moving averages start to push lower and us start to retest these support levels, then for sure I would be entering that shorting position to possibly ride to the 11 cents and then see whether or not Doge can actually break above. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.